venture capitalists who came into a system like this. It's truly not the right thing from a health system perspective for hospitals to behave that way. But it's trying to, if we share data with clinicians that aren't part of our system, I think hospitals or health systems fear that it's making it easier for that physician, for that patient to go elsewhere. There's an element of, we've got your data, we're holding you captive. Don't tell anybody, Providence, I said that. But that's how I think systems have kind of operated. We don't even share, and then part of it is technological. We don't even share data well within our own system. So it's not, we were on 5 instances of Epic. So if you go to one region, which is on one instance of Epic, and you go to another one, we don't even share data or can't share data amongst our different instances of Epic.
So on that note, right, this problem has been solved, right? In 1970s, there used to be an operating system called the Microsoft operating system, right? And Linux was this open source thing, right? Microsoft wouldn't share anything. Linux came along, and everything is open source. They build better software. The promise was, hey, if you share the source code, you'll make better software. Why can't the same thing apply in the healthcare industry, where, hey, if you share, you'll make better doctors and better care, right?
Yeah, I think it's going to have to be system change with economics at the core of it. Or it could, the government has tried a number of different ways to try and hammer on interoperability, and they built standards that I think have been helpful, but they're not taken advantage of. I think it's going to have to be some kind of economics, either driven by sticks or carrots, or just change in how systems have to collaborate together so that sharing actually is beneficial, and we're not concerned about giving up a competitive advantage of hoarding that information, but now we're actually incented to be able to share it because we can all benefit from it. I think you've been living this for a long time.
Yeah, I think the piece around security, Dan mentioned an interesting point, but also if you think about it, it's not a technological issue. The technical problem is solved for a long time. The issue is liability. If you think about it, if Hospital X in Seattle has data leakage and a set of records got leaked out for whatever reason, that is a massive hit to the hospital.
Is it worse than credit card data leaking out at times?
In fact, just to give you an idea, it is. I'll tell you why, because entire businesses can get wiped out. If you're a SaaS software company and you have a data privacy leakage issue, no single enterprise software hospital provider will come to you and sign up with you. You're done. I mean, that's how bad it is. So yes, it's disastrous. The cost of a healthcare record in the black market is many multiples more than a credit record. A credit record, you can get it for pennies. A healthcare record will go north of $20, $30, $40. That's how much the difference is. The liability piece is important because not only is liability of business survival, but also then you have the penalties that they can, Experian lost a bunch of credit card records, maybe half the country. What's happened to Experian? Nothing. But when healthcare records get compromised, many of the hospital systems end up paying millions of dollars